There's a formula for becoming the obvious choice in any industry that most experts never learn it. While you wait for the perfect time to write your book, perfect timing is choosing someone else. Hi there, I'm Jack Canfield. Now, you might know me from Chicken Soup for the Soul or The Success Principles, with 47 New York Times bestsellers and more than 600 million copies of my books sold worldwide. And here's what I wish someone had told me when I started. Your expertise is already enough. Your message is ready. The only gap between you and bestseller author status is the right blueprint that turns your knowledge into a book the world can't ignore. Now, I've watched thousands of brilliant experts stay invisible while their competition writes one book and becomes the obvious choice overnight. That stops today. I'm teaming up with Sush and Ash from Global Book Publishing for a free 5-day best-selling book publishing challenge, and I'm personally inviting you to join me. In just 5 days, you'll get the exact blueprint that helped create my global movement. No theory, no fluff, just a proven system to position your message, build unshakable authority, and turn your book into the ultimate brand and business accelerator. This is your moment. Your expertise deserves a megaphone, not a whisper. Seats for this book publishing challenge are going fast because this is the first time they're doing one that includes me as part of it. So I encourage you to click the link below and register now. Let's turn your story into the powerful success accelerator it can be. Act now and claim your authority, and I'll see you on the other side.